Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video, you will learn an automation to send booking confirmation messages to your customers on their WhatsApps automatically. So guys, as you already know, WhatsApp is one of the most widely used instant messaging application. And if you want to take the leverage or advantage of this messaging service for your business, this automation is for you. Guys, here we are sending booking confirmation messages on WhatsApp so that you can build a personal touch with your customer and you can improve your customer relationship as well. And the best part is you don't have to send those messages manually. It is going to happen automatically. Let me show you how. So here we are using Book Like a Boss application, guys, to take bookings from the customers. In place of this, you can use any other booking application like You Can Book Me or Acuity Scheduling. And here, as and when the booking happens, the confirmation message of this booking is going to be delivered to the WhatsApp account of the customer automatically. Okay, so to set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is you can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So let's set up this automation together right now. So guys, to start setting up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to reach here, you can use this link, which is pabbly.com/connect. Okay, and you can see Pabbly Connect is running an offer by which you can get this Pabbly Connect application in 50% discount. Okay, so from here you can see you can sign up for free in just 2 minutes, and you can create a free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and log in to reach here on the dashboard. And from here, just click on this create workflow button to start setting up this automation. And here you can give a suitable name to this workflow as well. So I am giving the name here as send booking confirmations on WhatsApp. Okay, so you can give any suitable name, and after this click on create, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page you will find the trigger and the actions. So guys, automation work on the trigger and action. So trigger is an event which is going to trigger or starts this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be a new booking happening from a booking application, which is Book Like a Boss, and the action towards that booking would be to send a confirmation message on WhatsApp. Okay, so first of all you have to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose the trigger application first. So in our case, the trigger application would be that application from where we are taking the bookings from the customer. So we are using this Book Like a Boss application. So you have to select this from your workflow. Search for Book Like a Boss. Here it is, select it. And in the trigger event, you have to select new booking created option. Okay. And it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, which is used to fetch the data out from the external applications. So by following these instructions written here and with the help of this URL, we are going to make a connection with Book Like a Boss. And after that, we are going to capture the response of this webhook. This means we are going to capture a demo booking or a test booking. Okay, let me show you. So guys, you can follow these instructions written here. Let me show you exactly how we can make this connection. So guys, this is my Book Like a Boss applications dashboard, and here I have this other settings option here. Click on other settings, and from here only click on integrations tab, and under the integrations page scroll down here and you will find this manage webhooks option here. So from here click on add, and here guys you have to paste the webhook URL that you got here. Just copy this webhook URL from your workflow, go back to your integrations page of Book Like a Boss, click on add and paste this webhook URL here like this. And here you have 3 boxes: created, cancelled or rescheduled. So from here you have to check this created box, so that as and when a new booking got created from your booking page, the data will flow out from this application to our workflow. Okay, So we are done here, and you can see it started showing waiting for the response. This means now you have to perform a test submission. So the test submission would be this one, the trigger event. That means now you have to create a new booking that will act as a test booking for us. So you can fill the test booking. Let me show you. So to do the test booking, you need to reach the booking page that you have created. So guys, I have created this booking page for a teacher who want to take booking from his students for a doubt class session. Okay, so it is showing physics doubt class session as the title, and here a calendar is attached. From here the student can choose the date like this. I am selecting let's say 25th of May, and from here the student can choose the time slot. So I am selecting 9 a.m. from here, and now the student have to fill in these details. Okay, so you can enter any detail, any name you want. I'm putting the name here as John Matthews. Okay, so this is a test student we are creating here. Okay, now let me put the number. Right, so we are done filling in the details. Now I'm going to click on book me. Okay, you can see the booking has been placed. Okay, now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this test booking. And you can see guys, in the response here we got the booking details as this. So booked with this person, booked with this email, and this is the package's name, this is the customer's name, this is the customer's email, this is the customer's phone number. Okay, so this is how we can capture the demo or the test response from the booking page. Okay, now guys, here you can see we have received the date and time also of the booking, which is in this format. Okay, so it is showing us the date 25th of May, that was the correct date, but here you can see it is showing the time as 3:30, but we have booked actually at 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay, but here it is showing 3:30 because our workflow captures the response in UTC format. That means universally coordinated time format. So universally coordinated time format lags behind Indian standard time by 5 hours and 30 minutes. That's why it is showing here 3:30. But guys, we can change the format here by using a feature of Pabbly Connect. Let me show you. I'm going to use this actions tab right now, and here I am going to choose a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called date time formatter. So search for date time formatter here, and in the action event I am going to use format date with time zone, this option. Then click on connect, and now it is asking the date that you want to be formatted. Okay, so here you have to enter the date like this. It is given the examples. So guys, I have received the date time label here in the first step, so I'm just going to map this label here in this second step. Okay, so when you map the label, what will happen in real time after setting up this automation, this change of format is going to happen automatically. Okay, so to map the date, just click here and you will see this book like a boss step in the drop down, which was our first step, and from here only you can see all the details that you have captured in the first step. So from here, click on the date time label to map it like this. Okay, now select the from format. That means the current format of the date that you have. Okay, so our current format is this one only, which was selected already. YYY, MM, DD, and a T in between, and hours and minutes and seconds. Okay, so keep it as it is. And now it is asking to format. That means in which format you want to convert this date or format this date. So here I am selecting a format, let's say MMDDYY. Okay, so normally we use this MMDDYY thing, so I am selecting this one, MMDDYY format. Now it is asking from which time zone you have got the data. So we have captured the data and date and time in UTC format. So from here, from time zone section field, you have to select UTC. This is it. And in which time zone you want to convert this time. So I want to this time to be converted into IST. So you have to search for Asia Kolkata time zone here. This one, Asia Kolkata. So you can select your time zone accordingly from the list. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and you will get the corrected date time in this format. Now it is showing the date in this format 5/25, that is month, date and year, and the time is 9 a.m. now, which is the corrected form we got. Okay, now guys, what I want to send a message on WhatsApp that will be a confirmation message. Okay, so to send a confirmation message on WhatsApp, you just need to click here on this plus icon, and here another action step will open up, and from here guys you have to select another application which is called 360 dialog. This is it, WhatsApp by 360 dialog. So now you guys are wondering why we are using this application. Guys, to send messages on WhatsApp, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's API. Okay, so 360 dialog application is an official WhatsApp API service provider. So with the help of this, we can send messages on WhatsApp directly. Okay, so here you have to select the action event now as send template message. Then click on connect. And from here, you have to select add new connection option. And here it will ask for the API key and the domain name of 360 dialog application. Okay, so you can read these instructions written here. Let me first show you what 360 dialog is and how it's look like. So this is my 360 dialogs applications dashboard, you can see. Okay, so if you want to send messages on WhatsApp directly, you can also sign up for 360 dialog, and I'll suggest you use the link that we have pasted in the description for you. So guys, if you go by our link and sign up, you can avail the services of this application in just $5 per month. And if you go directly, they charge you $39 per month for their services. Okay, so use our link and sign up here. And let me show you here, I have this WhatsApp accounts page. And in this page guys, you will see this button showing generate API key. So by clicking on generate API key button, you can generate a key for yourself. Then you have to copy that key and paste this key here in this field. After that, you have to fill the domain here, and you will get the domain name while generating the API key only, and that domain will look like this link. Okay, so you have to copy that link and paste it here in this format only. After that, you just have to click on save and you will be connected with 360 dialog. Okay, but guys, generating this API key and filling the details here and making the connection is one-time task only. Okay, so once you get your key generated, and if you're done filling the key and making the connection by this process, after that, if you want to make the connection again in any workflow, you just have to select this existing connection option. Okay, as I have already connected previously in a different workflow by this add new connection process, so now I can use this existing connection option, and now I just have to click on save, and you can see we'll be connected with 360 dialog. Okay, so you can see it is showing connected, and now it is asking which template you want to use to send the messages on WhatsApp. So guys, let me first tell you what templates are. So guys, here I am in my 360 dialog again, and here I have this manage templates button, and here I have all these templates readily approved. Okay, so guys, to send messages on WhatsApp directly, first of all you need to create message templates here inside 360 dialog. So let me show you. These message templates are predefined message structures, standard message structures that you can use to send messages to multiple people at once from 360 dialog. Okay, so here to create a template, you just have to click on this add template button, and here you can provide any suitable name to the template. Here you can select the category in which you are creating the template. So you can see it can be a shipping update, it can be an issue resolution, and they have many categories. You can select that, and from this language field you can select the language in which you want to send the messages. So they have many languages available here, and you can select the template type. If you want to send only text messages on WhatsApp, you can select a standard template, or if you want to send any file or any image or any link, you can use media and interactive template. Okay, and in the body box here you have to type the main body of the message that you want to send. Okay, after that click on preview and submit your template. And after submitting the template, Facebook, that is the parent company of WhatsApp, is going to review these templates and approve these templates. So the standard time of template approval, they say, is 30 minutes to 48 hours. So after getting your templates approved like these I have, you can use the template messages to send many messages on WhatsApp. Okay, and let me show you one thing more. In this template, you can see I have this 1 in double curly braces, 2, 3 and 4 in double curly braces. So guys, these are the variable tags or the body fields of our message template. So you need to put these tags in strategic places inside your message body so that you can change these things automatically in a new message. As you can see, after hi, I want to have a name of a person here in place of this one. Okay, so to get this tag changed automatically, we are going to map the values of these body fields here in our workflow. Okay, so first of all, you need to select the message template from this field. So I am using this message template titled as app_I. Okay, so select this from here only. This is app_I. Select it. After selecting the template, the namespace field, the other field we have, is going to be filled up. Like this, and you can see the language code is also available here. And now it is asking for the recipient's mobile number and the body fields. Okay, so these are the body fields that we are going to map and that are going to change automatically in every new message. Okay, and let me show you the body fields. Here I'm going to map the name of the person, a quick message from. So here I'm going to map the name of my business, my firm, my institute, or I'm going to map the name of the person who is sending this message. Okay, this is a quick message from this place to say your appointment on this let's say date and this time has been successfully booked. Okay, so we need to have the date and time as well. Okay, let us check if we have the date and time. So guys, we get the corrected format of the date time here like this, but we got the date and time together, but we need this date and time separately to map it here. So to separate this date and time, you can use another feature of Pabbly Connect. Let me show you. Just click on this plus icon here between these two steps. Just click on the plus icon and another action step will open up, and from here you can search for text formatter. Search for text formatter feature of Pabbly. Okay, and in the action event, select split text option, so it will split a string into list of substrings. Okay, split text, click on connect, and now it is asking which text you want to split. So here I am going to map this result label from the previous step to split the date and the time. Okay, so to map it, just click here and you will find this previous two steps here like this, and from the second step map this result label. And in the separator, I am going to use this space in between. You can see between this date and time we have a space. So from this space I want to separate the date and the time separately. Okay, so to put the separator here, you can use this format. You can read the instruction. For space as a separator, use this. Okay, so just copy this space from here, put it here in the separator. Okay, and now it is asking segment index. So which part you want to split out from the string, you can select it from here. If you want the first part, you can select first, second part, second select, for the last, second last, and they have many options. Right now I'm selecting all. Okay, so it will show you all the things separated. Just click on save and send test request, and now you can see in the result 0 label we got the date, and in the result 1 label we got the time. Okay, so now we got all the data to map here in the body fields. Okay, so we have added this step, the previous step, after this step. So now you have to make the connection again of this 360 dialog. Just click on connected, and from here select existing connection and click on save and connect 360 dialog again. Okay, And from here you can see the templates is selected, and these are things are filled, and now it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So just click here and it will show you the previous steps in the drop down. So from the first step, I'm going to map the phone number of the person who have taken the booking from us. So this is the phone number or the WhatsApp number of the person. Just map it, and you have to map this number in this format. You can see with a plus sign and the country code. So we got it here. And here just map the name of the customer that you will find in the first step only. This is the customer's name, map it. For the second body field, let me check what is the second body field. A quick message from. Okay, so here you can give a name of your firm, your business. So I'm putting here, as we have taken the example of a teacher, I'm putting here name of a coaching institute or tuition, whatever. Okay, so I'm putting here MB Institute. Okay, and in third body field, appointment on. Okay, so here I am going to map the date on which the person got the appointment, and you will find a separated date from this third step. From this text formatter step, you will find this separated date from the result 0 label. Just map it, and here I'm going to map the time from the third step only from this result 1 label. Okay, now we are done mapping the data. So I can show you how the message in the WhatsApp will appear, as I have access to this WhatsApp number. So I'm going to show you that the demo how the message will appear. So guys, this is the WhatsApp account of my test customer. Now you can check your connection if it is working properly or not. Just click here on save and send test request, and you will see a new message, a test message here inside this account. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see how the message will look like. And you can see this is the response, and we have received a new message here, and you can see the message is this: hi John Matthews, a quick message from MB Institute to say your appointment on this date at this time has been successfully booked. If you need to reschedule, please call on this number. Okay, and you can see in place of the body fields which I have here, the 1, 2, 3 and 4, we got the data filled as this. So with every new booking, this data is going to change accordingly and automatically, and you will receive, and your customers will receive a new message like this every time. Okay, so this is the benefit of mapping the data here. This is why this is important to map the labels. When you map the labels like this, the data is going to change automatically here in the new message. Okay, so we are done setting up this automation, guys, and let me give you a quick recap. So first of all, in the trigger, I connected Book Like a Boss, which is our booking application, and capture the response of a test booking here like this. After this, I connected date time formatter to change the format of the date and the time like this in this response. Okay, and third step, I have applied the split text formatter split text feature of Pabbly to get the date and time separated, so that we can use the data to map in our workflow to fill these body fields. Okay, and at the last, I connected 360 dialog application, selected the message template, mapped the data like this, and we are done. Okay, and the best part is you can use this same workflow, guys, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.